In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take organized notes in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a simple way to keep your notes easy to write, organize, and find later. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for notes or note-taking, then choose a template that fits your style and add it to your workspace. Replace the sample content with your own notes. Add a clear title, headings, and subheadings to organize your information into sections. Use blocks such as bulleted lists, numbered lists, to-do lists, callouts, and code blocks whenever they help present your information more clearly. If you're using a notes database, add properties like tags, subject, date, or status so you can sort, filter, and search your notes more easily. Customize the page with an icon or cover image if you'd like, and continue adding new notes as your workspace grows. That's how to take notes in Notion. Thanks for watching.